How to switch Google Messages on Samsung. If you want to switch from Samsung Messages to Google Messages or from Google Messages to Samsung Messages or vice versa, it's very simple to do so. Making sure you have the desired application installed already. If you want Samsung Messages, you can go to your Galaxy Store and download it. If you want Google Messages, you can go to your Play Store and download it. Then after that, simply launch Settings application. Then from the Settings app, what you can do is you can simply scroll and you can go to this option called Apps. So what you want to do is simply go to the option called Apps. Then from the Apps section, tap on Choose Default Apps. Then here select SMS app. Now here select the desired application you want. If you want Samsung Messages, making sure it's installed, select that. If it's Google Messages, select Google Messages. That way you can switch Google Messages on Samsung. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.